Robocraft. Wait, why do I have to think about that? Okay, I'm playing Robocraft, and I got a medic. You know what? I'm moving that. I'm moving you. I am moving you to the back. You're getting demoted. And then I'll put you back to the front whenever I get more money. Alright, so, yes, I am playing Robocraft. This is my robot I was working on whenever you guys weren't here. Or whenever I wasn't recording. What did I say? Whenever. Just stop, Venom. Okay. So yeah, while I wasn't recording, I was working on this, and sorry that I did say I was gonna upload a video yesterday, but I forgot. I'm sorry. Don't kill me yet. You can kill me tomorrow, but not today, okay, guys? Okay. And so yeah. Hey, let's Baron. We are in. Woohoo! Is there any more medics? Am I the only medic? Please don't be. All right, good. Nice. We got 3 medics. That's better than 1. Okay. So let's follow this guy because he knows what he's doing, you know. I don't know. I don't even think he knows what he's doing because this is always like not the best spot to go. Alright. We should be good if the medics follow us. This thing is so fast. Like, look at this. Like, I can catch up. Oh. No. You are gonna heal me and you're gonna like it. Thank you. Did he kill him? I can't tell. Oh, I ran out. Oh, that's not good. Whoa! Alright. Kids, stop going so fast. Let me catch up to you.
SMG cover spotted.
Alright, now we're good. Oh, don't want to be in the line of sight. Line of fire. Is he a medic? Oh, jeez. Oh, I did not know you were doing this. I am sorry. Please forgive me. We have 4 medics, and we're all sticking together. That's smart, but it's not smart because we only have 1 SMG. Hopefully they will come to us. Oh no! Yeah, go rush that. Oh jeez, they have 3 medics. Is he gonna attack? I'm gonna have to take over base myself. I'm joking, I'm not going for base. We're probably gonna lose. That guy needs to go for their base. Or our base. He needs to go protect our base. I can't go for the base. There's only 1 person. Can you not? No, we lost. Oh, we lost. Did we? Who's gonna win? No, we were right there too. That was a good game. That was a fast game, actually. Oh, let me stretch. Alright. Do I have enough? Oh my gosh. I do not have enough. Alright, so we're gonna go into another battle. And we are in again. Oh, we're on the same planet, but on a different side. That's nice. I wonder why I'm on this planet twice in a row. Because this planet loves me, that's why. Hey, watch what you're doing, Babu. Watch what you're doing. You know, the end will die if not treated a shot. Can you play mine? But at least we're gonna be smart this time. We have 2 healers, not bad. 2 medics actually. It's not bad. Oh jeez.
Interceptor spotted.
Oh no. Alarm Johnson. Alarm Johnson.
Plasma tank spotted.
You need heals. Whoa, I cannot be in this line of fire. Whoa.
Plasma hover spotted.